go. Here we got the Beretta and the Glock 9 and my little ammo stash. And this is how you set up your gear in the Smax if we go into the range. Got all the ammo in here. Got 2 guns in one case there. Ear protection, GoPro, duct tape for the targets. Perfect duty for the Smax, A+. Alright, here we go with the 22. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's a light trigger. All clear. With the pinky grip, 40 yards.
20.
Looks good to me, I think. All right, take 2. Glock 9 at 10 yards. I guess it would help if I didn't bring the old mag out here. Bam, that was it. That was the goods. Feels like everywhere I go, I have this goofy gear on. Either a motorcycle helmet, or a camera, or ear protection, or something. Can I just be normal for once? Let's try that one more time, about 10 yards with the Beretta, and I've only got a half mag. Okay, right about here. That's it. That's much better. Can you see that? Much better. All right, I think that's gonna be all for the Beretta today. That was my best shooting at 10 yards on the Beretta, even though I'm a die-hard Glock fanboy. This is my little pride and joy right here. All right, here's a quick comparison for you. This is the 22 with T, and this is Bay with the 9. All right, gonna call it a day. Wrap this mess up. It looks like a gun show.